Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys on my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use guys auto rotate screen. Friends you want to on guys your Poco phone guys phone auto rotate. So how to on guys auto rotate on Poco phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends we will on guys Poco phone setting to on auto rotate setting. After on Poco phone setting friends you can see this type of interface. Friends click on guys Poco phone display setting. After on display setting friends scroll it. Friends you can see your screen color setting, screen refresh rate. Friends you want to change your screen refresh rate into high, so you can change from here. Friends click on guys your auto rotate setting is here. Auto rotate screen guys we will on from here. After on guys how to use, friends come back. Friends now we will on any app. Example guys I will on guys Play Store. So guys where is my Play Store app? Play Store. So if Play Store is not here, so example guys, I will on YouTube. Once you want to rotate your screen, friends, you can rotate automatic. Friends, your screen will rotate, and you can use guys this auto rotate setting on your Poco phone device, guys. Same setting guys with here guys when you will use any app. Example guys, I will on Google. Friends, you can see screen rotate automatic on Poco phone device, guys. Same guy when I will use my Chrome app, friends, you can see screen rotate automatic, guys. So like that we can on, and friends we can use this auto rotate setting on our Poco phone device. Friends you don't want to use, so friends click on your Poco phone setting, search option, friends search here auto setting guys. Auto rotate screen, tap here. Friends you can off your auto rotate screen from here guys, tap here. Auto rotate will off guys, and friends you can off from your accessibility setting also guys, tap here. Friends you can see auto rotate setting, you can on and you can off from here also guys. So guys accessibility setting we can on and off auto rotate, and we can on and off guys from display setting guys also. So like that guys we can on and off auto rotate. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.